Hello dear creatives, welcome to this tutorial. So today we'll be learning how to make this bridal hand fan. So these are the materials needed: my trimmings, the skeleton, and the Asoke that I'm working with, scissors, and my candle gun. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to place the skeleton on top of the Asoke and I will trace out the shape. Okay, so I'll cut out the shape of the skeleton. So we'll be needing 2 pieces of this Asoke. So I folded it into 2. So I'll cut it out and I'll set it aside. Okay. So right now I have this wording cut out already. You can see it's already. I cut it out the shape of the skeleton. Okay. So I will cover the skeleton first with the wording. So just watch the video carefully. Follow all the steps. Okay. It's very simple and easy to make. So after covering this up part, so I will still cover the handle side. You can see I'm covering it. So at this part now, so I'm going to cut it open and I will make a notch all round. So I've notched the wording, so I'll apply my candle gum and I'll overlap it, as you can see me do. So this is the outcome. Okay, I'll repeat the same process now with the other piece of wording. I'll cover the other side. So right now, see how I'm placing it now. Okay, see how I'm placing it, because I didn't want the hand to be too bulky. Okay, I don't want the handle to be too bulky. So I apply my candle gum. I use my hand to smooth it out. Okay, so at this point you can decide to overlap it this way or you trim it off. Okay, so whichever one that suits you. You can see I'm trying to make sure that the edges is properly glued down. So I'm trimming it off now. So this is it. So I'm covering it right now with the Asoke fabric. You can see how I'm covering it the same way I covered the wording, the same method. So I write this point, you need to be careful so that you will not stain your gun will not stain the Asoke. Okay, you need to be careful at this point now. So I'll also repeat the same thing. I'll cut off these parts now. Then I'll make a notch to overlap it. So I'm trimming off the excess. Okay. So I'll repeat the same thing. See how I'm placing this one the same way I place the wording. Okay. So I've done covering the skeleton with the Asoke. Now I'm going in with my trimming. So I'll apply this trimming at the edge as you can see me do like this. I'll go around. Okay. So after that, I still went ahead to use the trimmings to cover up this part now. So I'll go around. So this is it. So this is the back of the skeleton. So I cut out another trimming for the front. You can see where I'm placing it to give it that beautiful look. So I went in with these rose accessories. As you can see. So this is it. You can see it's taking shape. Then I went in with another trimming at the upper side. As you can see. So this is it. So I went ahead to arrange the name of my bride. Okay. Then I'll go ahead and glue it down using my candle gum. So after gluing down the name, start putting all the accessories. Here is the finished look of the hand fan. You can see how beautiful it is. So thank you for watching. Please, if you have watched this video to this point, subscribe to my YouTube channel, give the video a thumbs up, like and also comment. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.